Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today I am doing a makeup look using just Morphe's 35O2 palette. This was requested out of my eyeshadow palette collection, which was, I only have 3/4, so if you have any more, go ahead and tell me down below. Today we're only using this palette, except for like one shade, which is just the eyebrow shade because it doesn't have any lighter shades, and it will be a voiceover. So I will be reviewing the palette also, but it will be through the voiceover, so I won't babble through the entire thing. So if you like this look, keep on watching. To start, I'm using Best Damn Beauty's lip mask to hydrate my lips. Normally I would start with my eyes, but my lips have been super chappy lately, so I've been needing to, moisturize them. To prime my eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. You can use any eye primer of your choosing, but I just prefer concealer. From Morphe's 35O2 palette, I'm using the color Universal to set my concealer. For the crease color, I am using Spice from Morphe's palette, and I'm using a fluffy brush to apply the color and then an even fluffier brush to blend it out, giving it more of a nicer shade and airbrush look. So for what I think is the colors are very nicely pigmented and creamy, so I don't have anything to say quite yet. Taking the color So Warm from the same palette, I'm placing this just below the color Spice and blending it in with a much fluffier brush. I noticed about this color is it wanted to stay in place a little bit longer than the last color, but that could just be the individual colors. Taking the color in the zone, I'm going to buff that out at the end of my eye, keeping it strictly at the end of my eye and occasionally bringing it up a little bit into the crease. With a damp packing brush, I'm going to take the color Zodiac and polish and pat that onto my eyelid, going all the way towards where the dark brown is now. I'm now taking the color Pure and putting that around and underneath the tear duct of my eye. Taking the color Chestnut, I'm going to blend that underneath my eye, going from the very end to the center and up a little bit to give a cat eye. To line my upper lid, I'm using Wet n Wild's felt tip eyeliner in black and give myself also another small little cat eye. Taking Maybelline's gel pencil in soft nude, I'm going to line my waterline. For mascara, I'm using Marcella's Curling and Lengthening Mascara. For lashes, I'm using Kissed Lashes in Shy. I'm highlighting my eyes with the Color Workshop eyeliner in black. Since the Morphe palette doesn't have a lighter color, I'm using Coastal Scents Revealed 3 palette and the color of a creamy white to highlight my brow bone. For lipstick, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Luxe Lip Color in Neutral Rose. So that is all for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this palette. I actually like it a lot. I couldn't find really any flaws in it other than it's easy to get confused which eyeshadows you used, because when I was doing this side and then I was going to do this side for the tutorial, I already forgot what shades I used for the crease because some of the browns kind of look alike. So that's the only flaw that I have. Other than that, it blends out nicely, they're nice colors, etc. Sorry if I've been doing a lot of reds lately. I don't know why I've been doing a lot of reds lately, but I will be switching it up soon. Sorry for the similarities in tutorials. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.